Ang i-discuss natin ngayon ay what's the difference between the Batman and the Batgirl. Oh, intense. Intense. What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Andito na naman tayo. Of course, we're gonna talk about watches. So first, we'll talk about the Batman, okay? This is the Batman, guys. So this one, Rolex GMT Batman. Reference number is 126710 BLNR. The Batgirl naman, para makita nyo agad yung difference is, this is the Batgirl, okay? Reference niya is 126710 BLNR. So guys, yes, same sila ng reference. So what is the difference mainly ng dalawa? Is the reference number the same? Yes. Is the movement the same? Yes. Is the buckle the same? Yes. Ano nga ba? Yung salamin, same din ba? Yes. Yung bezel, same din ba? Yes. Yung dial, same din ba? Yes. Everything's the same except sa bracelet lang. Okay? So doon lang sila nagkatalo. That's the only difference between the both is the price and the bracelet. Okay, the Batman features an oyster steel bracelet with polished middle. So that is the Batman. And for the Batgirl naman, it features a Jubilee steel bracelet. So that's the only difference, guys. As we all know, Jubilee is a lot more expensive than the oyster steel dahil, ewan ko, yung sabi ni Rolex eh. Kaya, they bill us more for Jubilee. Okay? Kasi mas maganda nga naman tignan yung Jubilee. So, the price difference between these is around 70K to 100K ang difference with only the bracelet. Alright? For Batman right now, ang mga 126,710 BLNR is around price range nito in the market right now is around 850 to 930. For the Batgirl naman, depende, 900 to 1 million actually, depende siya sa condition and sa inclusions if complete siya. Wrist check. So that's how the Batgirl sits on the wrist. May pagka-social talaga yung Jubilee. Para naman sa Batman, wrist check ulit tayo for the Batman. So mas lalaki ito eh, kaya tinawag din ng Batman tas Batgirl yung isa. This one, mas sporty siya. Tignan. Both features in blue and black bezel. So yeah, that's the difference between the Batgirl and the Batman. Which I will choose, I always go for the Batgirl.